What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my kitchen. Today we are making fried chicken. Yes, you heard it correctly, fried chicken. And not just any ordinary fried chicken, but we are making mustard fried chicken. So get your tongues ready, get that chicken out, well in season, and let's jump into the recipe. For this recipe, you'll need your favorite yellow mustard, Sazon seasoning, coconut flour, butter, salt and pepper, onion powder, and garlic powder. We're going to start off with seasoning our coconut flour with onion powder and garlic powder. The amount of seasoning used depends on how much chicken you'll be cooking. And also remember, we're seasoning our chicken as well. Add in salt and pepper. Add in 1 Sazon seasoning pack and stir. If you wish to add additional seasoning, do so at this time or use it to flavor your chicken. Let's begin preparing our mustard. If you have honey mustard, this is a great time to add it in with this mustard, or Dijon mustard as well. It gives us a really nice flavor. This is the only mustard that I have. Also, you want to melt 1 stick of butter and use that for dipping your chicken. Try and coat your chicken with this melted butter. Once you are done seasoning your chicken and dipping it in butter nicely, we are going to go ahead and begin coating it with our mustard dip. Make sure all your chicken is generously coated in your mustard sauce. After your chicken has been seasoned and coated with mustard, we'll go ahead and coat all of our chicken pieces in our flour mix. I highly recommend using one of these chicken breader bowls, or what they called. I found mine on Amazon. I'll put the link in the description box below. But it gives your chicken or whatever you're cooking a really nice coating. And if you like to double coat, go ahead. At this point, you would put your chicken back into the mustard mix and then dip it into the flour mix as well. 1 coat is pretty sufficient when you're using coconut flour. Next, we want to make sure our hot oil is hot and test it out so it immediately starts cooking your chicken once you place it in the pot. Cooking time will vary depending on the piece of chicken that you're using to cook. For chicken legs, it generally takes about 7 minutes on each side. And once you're done frying, go ahead and repeat the process for any remaining chicken you have. And as you can see, the result of this delicious recipe is a nice golden, crispy, and crunchy fried chicken. Low carb, keto friendly, and guilt free. This recipe will have your chicken falling off the bone, literally. It's so delicious, so mouth-watering. It packs a punch of flavor that you won't believe. If you don't like mustard, you may not like this, but I encourage you to try it because it's really good. Please like and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already done so. And I look forward to seeing you in the next video.